Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to class 7. I am your S.St teacher Farah Memon from VII College Nushar Pros. Dear students, this is your S.St book. This book is divided into two sections. First is geography and second is history. Today we are going to start our first section, which is geography, and our first chapter is Geography of the Muslim world. Do you know, students, what is geography? I tell you. Geography comes from Greek word geographia, meaning to describe the earth. To describe the earth. Geographers look at the use of space on earth and the interaction that take place between people and the land they live on. So, geography is the study of the both physical and human features on the earth. Now, look at this graph. In this graph, percentage of the main religions of Muslim world is shown. As orange color indicates Buddhist, red color indicates Hindus, green color indicates Muslims, blue color indicates Christians, and brown color indicates other religions in the world. From this graph, you can see Muslims are the second largest population in the world. Now we discuss physical features of land and Muslim countries. Look at this map. In this map, green color indicates Muslim countries like Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, etc. Officially, there are 55 countries whose Muslim population is from more than 50% to 100%. Muslims are otherwise found in almost all other countries, where they form 1% to 36% of the population. Dear students, here is another map which shows the highest region of Muslim world is Afghanistan and the Hindu Kush and Karakoram mountains of Pakistan. However, few people live in this mountains region. Rest of Muslim world lives on level land. मतलब मुस्लिम कंट्रीज़ के जो हाईएस्ट रीजन्स हैं, जो हाइट पे हैं, जैसे अफ़गानिस्तान, हिंदू कुश, कराकोरम माउंटेन्स का जो एक सिलसिला है वो सारा हाइट पे है, ज़्यादा हाइट पे है. और जो मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड है, दूसरी मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड है, वो सारी लैंड लेवल पे है, जैसे कि सऊदी अरबिया, पाकिस्तान, ईरान, इराक, अफ़गानिस्तान, ये सारे लैंड लेवल पे हैं, लैंड लेवल पे पाए जाते हैं. और यही वजह है कि लैंड में होने की वजह से ये इलाके गर्म होते हैं. यहाँ पे सर्दी ज़्यादा नहीं होती, ये इलाके गर्म रहते हैं, गर्मी की शिद्दत ज़्यादा होती है. ठीक है. Now your homework is question 1. There are no Islamic states in 4 continents. Name them. Question 2. Look at the map 1 on book page number 2 and write down Muslim countries of the world. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.